Time to combine a navbar, a hero, a features grid, and a footer into one real, complete landing page built up section by section, with the actual live browser preview updating beside the code at every single step. In this longer video you'll watch the whole real page come together from a blank slate to a finished, responsive design. Every real landing page starts with this exact reset. Box sizing keeps actual widths predictable, and the margin padding reset removes genuine browser default spacing. This real flexbox rule genuinely pushes the logo and nav-links to opposite ends of the actual navbar, with a subtle shadow separating it from the page. This real rule genuinely spaces out the actual nav-links evenly and strips the default underline, a real, common navbar pattern. This real hero section combines flexbox, a gradient background, and generous spacing, three earlier topics working together in one genuine section. This real, large heading size genuinely makes the hero's actual headline the clear visual focus of the whole page. This real button combines border radius, box shadow, and a transition, more earlier topics, all working together for one genuine interactive element. This real hover transition genuinely makes the actual button grow slightly on hover, a small real detail that makes the page feel alive. This real CSS grid rule genuinely lays the three actual feature cards out in three equal columns with consistent real spacing between them. This real card style genuinely gives each actual feature card a soft background, rounded corners, and a subtle shadow to lift it off the page. This real hover lift genuinely nudges each actual card upward slightly on hover, reinforcing that these are real, interactive elements. This real accent color genuinely ties each card's actual heading back to the same brand blue used in the hero section above. This real dark footer genuinely closes out the actual page with a clear visual boundary, a common real pattern for landing pages. This real, final media query genuinely adapts the actual grid, heading size, and navbar layout together for real mobile screens, the whole page, responsive at once. That's the full CSS series. Go build something real with it.